could even be you, Your Honor. And I want to tell my colleague here that I've appeared in court representing an officer, DPP, who has been charged in a court of law. But I still insist that justice should be served to every suspect, every accused person. We said these things during the era when there was harassment on Jaramogi Oginga Odinga. We said those things when there was harassment on Raila, and we'll say them even today. Because we want a fair, just society. Your Honor. This drama, can you imagine, Your Honor, arresting an honorable member of parliament with 6 vehicles, 3 Land Cruisers, 3 Subarus. We request to see him, we are told he's being rushed to Kisii. I have not slept. I was at Keroka police station at 1 a.m. And the police said, no, come and meet the accused in Kisii. I traveled all the way to Kisii to be told now the vehicles have turned, they're heading to Narok. What happened to the provisions of the CPC, section 771? The place where the offense occurred, or within the local limits where the accused was apprehended, is where an accused person will be charged. What happened to that section? Huh? This is a display of impunity. So we want to urge you, Your Honor. Nobody has disputed that court order. There is evidence before you to show that we served the court order. Today I want to sleep, Your Honor, knowing that the judiciary of the Republic of Kenya is there to protect citizens of this country from the overreach of the state and of the office of the DP. I want to sleep soundly tonight, Your Honor, so that tomorrow we don't see people being harassed in Mombasa, taken all the way to Busia. When a lawyer is in Busia, the accused is being taken to Kong'o. We can't run a country. So I plead, Your Honor, that show the authority of the court this morning, so that you can put an end to these games being played by the DPP. Thank you. And you know, when we enacted our new constitution, we have a chapter called Chapter 6 on integrity and leadership. If a colleague, a lawyer, a person that should be subject to the disciplinary committee of law society can lie to court, then why are we taking this country? We have rendered to the court an affidavit of service as proof that the order, anticipatory bail order, was served on the office of the DPP. And the DPP is headed by a lawyer. That's our colleague. If for nothing, Your Honor, we should see some respect for court orders from the office of the DPP. If you look at a copy of the affidavit of service, it indicates even the time that order was served, Your Honor. And I'm even wondering, if the statement of the accused person was taken this morning, when did the DPP review the file to make a decision whether he should charge the accused person? We're just playing politics with our judicial justice system, Your Honor. The OCS was served with the order. It was even sent to him through the phone. And don't you confirm, Your Honor, that that affidavit of service before you this morning? We cannot, Your Honor, come to court as officer of this DP to display impunity before you. What I expected from my colleague is to render an apology to the court and admit that the accused person should be released on the bail terms that were granted by the High Court. These others are stories. With tremendous respect to my learned colleague, those are stories. Your Honor, this morning, I want this court to reaffirm the authority of the court. Remember, Madam Your Honor, that after we enacted this new constitution, we professionalized the